heavy AI models draining your system memory, today I'm going to cover 5 breakthrough AI models that can run entirely offline on your own local machine. They can handle complex tasks with minimal graphic card requirements and also micro enough to fit right into your system memory. Let me show you the powers and how to set up these in your own local system. So let's start with tool number 1, which is Shieldstral 3B, an ultra-fast guardrail model by Mistral AI team. It acts as a strict digital bouncer for your application, as it can classify bad inputs across multiple safety violation categories. The size of the model is just 3 billion parameters, which allows very low video memory usage while you are running this model. And it can inspect both the user prompts and the AI output, and it can stop harmful content before it reaches the user. And you can also set your own custom safety strictness rules. And remember, this tool is strictly meant for blocking bad text, so do not use it to write normal creative essays. But you can put this filter right before your main brain model, which ensures users do not wait long for the replies. And it just needs 6 GB of video memory. And if you want best results, just give it the full chat history. To set up this model in your own system, start by loading the tool like any other normal AI and wrap your text in the spatial safety format. Next, run the safety checks of the model to see all the scores that are generated. And finally, use that score to block or allow the generated text that is given from the AI. The main job of this tool is to protect the sensitive environments like a business or financial institute, as it instantly stops bad users from breaking your bots. And it also checks all the commands before they touch your system, which keeps your computer safe from dangerous code injections. You can also use it to scan customer logs, as it quickly catches any leaked sensitive customer data files. Next up is NVIDIA Nemotron Parse 2.0, which is a smart tool for reading visual documents, as it can turn messy pictures into perfectly clean digital text. It looks at the confusing tables and read them perfectly, as it can turn them into neat, organized markdown code blocks. And it is also heavily tuned to work with the NVIDIA software, which makes the reading process incredibly fast and smooth. And even if you have some numbers inside your visual graphs, it can actually understand everything and pulls the hidden data right off the complex charts. But while giving the input, you must give high quality images for best accuracy of the model. Because if you give blurry pictures, it will make the tiny text harder to read for the model. And you will need at least 16 GB of video memory in your graphic card if you want to run this on your own local system. And you can always tell it exactly how you want the final text, specifically asking for either the Markdown or JSON files outputs. To set up this model right now, first download the official files from the Hugging Face website, then change your PDF documents into high quality picture files. Finally, you can send those pictures into the model and ask for the text back with a simple prompt. And when you get the text back, just save that clean text into your search database. The real job where you can use this model right now is scanning giant texts of invoices, let's say, where it can automatically pulls out specific prices and taxes for you. And it is also perfect for reading sloppy medical records, as it can turn the handwritten doctor notes into searchable digital files. And you can also pass on complex maths in the science papers, as it can easily read the documents that have multiple text columns. Moving to the tool number 3, which is GPT X2.5. This is a super tiny brain for small devices, which works incredibly fast right on your own local hardware. The whole model size is wonderfully small and highly efficient, as it only takes up about 300 megabytes of your system memory, featuring just 130 million parameters. This model loads almost instantly and runs smoothly with minimal memory allocations. And it can generate 150 tokens per second, so you can get outputs instantly even on basic computer processors. So even if you are doing local text classification, it happens in just milliseconds, allowing you to do instant command evaluation right on your edge hardware. But keep in mind that this tool is specialized for fast routing and sorting, so keep your prompts focused under 2000 tokens rather than asking for long essays. And when you run it entirely on local client processors, it completely eliminates the cloud hosting computing fees and all the third-party dependencies. And they also have ONNX and GGF formats available, allowing you to seamlessly integrate it into native mobile and desktop applications. So it has huge use cases of on-device mobile AI, Let's say you can use it in your keyboard applications to deliver instant offline autocomplete suggestions without relying on internet connections. And if you are building any smart home hub, you can directly parse the user voice commands locally to control your lights and appliances without cloud latency. And developer workflows can use it as a frontline triage agent, filtering multiple simple queries before making calls to the cloud APIs. Even the lightweight text editors can integrate it to validate the code snippets and structure on the fly. And setting this tool also just requires installing the standard transformers libraries and loading the model checkpoint directly into your Python environment. Tool number 4 is Audio8 TTS model, a 600 million parameter real-time text-to-speech model. It addresses the issue of unnatural, robotic AI voices by delivering expressive human speech synthesis locally. The main job of this model is to generate low-latency voice streams while cloning the target speaker voices from a brief 3-second audio sample. So cloning your entire voice just needs a 3-second audio input with no extra training needed. Streaming the audio chunks in under 200 milliseconds, it enables smooth, natural back and forth voice conversations. And for generating the emotions, it has natural pitch variations, realistic pauses, and different speech dynamics, producing natural human-sounding voice output. And the compact parameter size ensures that you get smooth streaming generations even on a single consumer-grade graphic cards. And while giving the inputs to this model, ensure that it is completely background noise-free so we can ensure maximum output clarity. And you can use it in half-precision inference mode, which will lead high-fidelity 24 kHz audio while optimizing your generation speeds. And processing input text of numbers, dates, and acronyms into full words prevents the pronunciation errors from the model. Deploying this model just requires a small audio library installed and loading model weights directly into your GPU. Then you can pass on a reference audio wave file along with the target text prompt, and it will condition the generator on your target speaker characteristics. And the generated audio buffer streams directly to your local audio hardware for instant playback. You can use this model easily on real-time conversational AI agents and deploy them to automated customer support and interactive assistants. And if you are a content creator, you can convert your written blog posts and articles into natural sounding audio podcast episodes. And game developers can generate dynamic emotional dialogue lines for all the NPC characters in real time. And even the accessibility softwares that we have on mobile and PC can replace the robotic screen reader voices with natural, pleasing synthetic speech. And last but not the least, we have the tiniest model in the list, which is Supra2 100M Instruct, an ultra-fast, lightweight instruction-tuned model from Supra Labs, built specifically for high-speed micro-task execution. Following prompt instructions with minimal delay, this model processes basic command requests in near zero time, and its specialized training guarantees valid JSON schema generation, eliminating any markdown syntax errors that can break your application code. And requiring just under 250 megabytes of graphic memory, it can parse user intents into callable function parameters in sub 10 millisecond latency. And while giving the system prompt to this model, just explicitly define your JSON schema so we can have a guaranteed deterministic payload formatting. And serving as a local micro router, it can process hundreds of concurrent requests per second on a standard CPU hardware. And you can also quantize this model to just 4-bit GGF format, and quantizing this model to 4-bit GGF format reduces the memory usage to just under 80 megabytes of RAM. To set up this model, you just need to pull the weights from Hugging Face or Ollama library and explicitly set the JSON target schema instructions. And while running the inference, just set the temperature to 0, which will ensure deterministic output that can be piped straight into your application code handlers. You can use this tool to directly translate your CLI commands into executable bash system commands instantly. And if you have a data pre-processing pipeline, you can use this model to extract the names, dates, and email addresses from unstructured text fields. AI agent frameworks can also deploy it to classify the task request before routing the execution to the specialized backend tools. And finally, if you are a developer, you can format complex API request payloads locally without paying any third-party cloud hosting fees. Remember, while all these local AI models are powerful, you remain complete control of them as everything runs locally in your system. I will also be putting all the details of the models that we have discussed today and all the official links to download these models right now. Just check the first link in description and pin comments below and follow along the simple step-by-step guide. Leave a comment below if you want me to cover any of these models in detail and build practical AI project with them, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates and workflows.